Creating your own outdoor kitchen with cinder blocks is a rewarding way to upgrade your backyard and boost its functionality, with just a few basic tools and materials. You can build a solid cooking space that withstands the elements and fits your needs. Materials. You'll need cinder blocks, standard or half-size mortar, or heavy-duty construction adhesive. Gravel and sand for leveling. Concrete mix for slab base, if needed metal mesh or rebar optional for support, concrete backer board or cement board, countertop materials, tile, concrete, granite slab, etc. Trowel, level. Chalk line, tape measure optional, grill insert, sink, cabinet doors. And storage. Step 1. You choose and prep the location. Pick a flat, open spot with good ventilation. If you're planning to include a grill, keep it a safe distance from flammable surfaces. Clear any grass or debris and use a level to check for evenness. Optional, pour a small concrete pad or level with gravel and compacted sand. Step 2. Design and mark your layout. Decide on your kitchen shape: a straight line, L shape, or U shape. Use chalk or stakes with string to outline the base. Leave openings where appliances or storage access is needed. Step 3. Stack the cinder blocks. Dry stack your first row to test the fit. Adjust until it's level and aligned. Then, begin stacking. Use mortar between blocks if you want a permanent bond. For a dry stack method, apply construction adhesive between each layer. Tip: stagger the blocks like bricks for better stability. Step 4. Leave space for add-ons. Skip blocks where you plan to install a grill, sink, or storage area. You can reinforce open sections using angle iron or steel brackets to support countertops. Step 5. Countertop support. Once the base is complete, lay concrete backer board or sealed plywood on top. Make sure it's level and properly supported across the block spans. Step 6. Finish the surface. Cover the block structure with your desired finish. For a rustic look, leave blocks exposed or paint them with outdoor-safe paint. For a polished look, apply stone veneer, tiles, or stucco using mesh and mortar. Step 7. Install your appliances and countertop. Place your grill or sink into the designated space. Add a countertop surface like tile, poured concrete, or a granite slab. Seal it properly to resist weather. Final touches: add doors for storage if needed. Install side shelves or hooks for utensils. Consider a roof or pergola for shade. Tips for long-term use: always use heat and weather-resistant materials. Add ventilation around gas or charcoal grills. Use outdoor-rated sealants on surfaces.